Louis Renault was interested in foreign markets from the beginning. The first agents opened subsidiaries and branches in England, Italy and Germany, followed by the United States, Austria-Hungary, Argentina and the Netherlands. Over 1,000 taxis hit the streets of London and New York. Renault opened subsidiaries in Spain and dealerships in Japan and China in 1910. In the 1920s, Renault developed factories abroad to keep up with demand. The first ones were opened in Belgium and England. In the years after World War II, two models became symbols of Renault's success in foreign markets. The 4CV, made in Japan in partnership with Hino, and the Dauphine, which made remarkable inroads in the North American market. It was manufactured in Argentina, marking the start of Renault's great South American adventure. In the 1950s, the brand established a firm hold in Spain, which became Renault's second homeland. The first Renault plant in North Africa opened in Algiers in 1959. In the 1960s, thanks to the common market, Renault grew its commercial presence in Germany and Italy with the success of the R4 and then the R5. Beginning in the 1970s, Renault looked to emerging markets through partnerships with local companies. Oyak Renault in Turkey, Dacia in Romania, Sofasa in Colombia and IMV in Yugoslavia. At that time, the Renault 4 and Renault 12 spearheaded the brand's conquest of non-European markets. In 1979, Renault signed an agreement with American Motors to produce and sell its vehicles in the United States and Canada under the names Alliance and Encore. The Renault interest was sold to Chrysler in 1987. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 inspired Renault to take on new goals. The brand set out to conquer the reunified German market, thanks in particular to the R19, and got a toehold in the new markets of Central Europe. At the same time, the Clio became a stunning success in Italy and Spain, where the brand's industrial sites were growing. Renault became the leading European automaker. Starting in the 1990s, Renault went on the offensive in emerging markets. The Curitiba plant was opened in Brazil, a partnership was formed in Russia with Avtovromosela, and a major agreement was signed with two partners in Iran to mass-produce the Logan. At the dawn of the 2000s, the historic alliance with Japanese manufacturer Nissan and the purchases of Dacia in Romania and Samsung Motors in Korea completely changed Renault's strategy, giving it a solid opening to an ambitious worldwide market. This expansion policy would spawn the development of several industrial sites outside Europe. Thanks to this growth, Renault is now commercially present in 128 countries and works through more than 50 industrial, engineering and design sites scattered across the entire planet. Thanks to 12,900 points of sale, for the first time in its history, sales outside Europe surpassed the 50% mark. With a strong industrial base in France, the Renault Group fully intends to pursue its international growth strategy. Renault, a company that is strongly rooted to its French base and at ease around the world, makes mobility available to everyone. Renault, a sustainable company that is in tune with the energy and environmental challenges of the 21st century.